G'day, here's a parcel of mixture of seam and knobby material. Some of it's on a black pieces, others like this piece here is sunflash. I'll zoom in. Okay, I've zoomed in. As you can see, there's a few bright pieces amongst it. There's other pieces that are not so good, but that's part of buying a deal. Haven't moved the pieces, just moving them around so you get a better idea. Some of the pieces like that, basically just potch. Sometimes this sort of material in the honey, especially the honey potch, gets faceted. Little colour bar on the end there. A few bits have still got the hard clay on it. It's quite why it's still there is because it is too hard to tumble off. There's a colour showing through there a little bit, pinks and greens, purples, semi-crystal. Little specimen, the knobby's still in the clay. It's a nice pink and red colour bar going across there. See it poking through here, through the clay. Again, see the reds and greens poking through there. It's only thin, that piece. A few of these pieces, don't forget to just grind it down slowly or cut it with a saw. Quite often the colour starts to come through. Interesting pinks and stuff there, colours. Couple of knobbies still impregnated in the clay. Not a very expensive parcel. It's not that piece, it's just a bit of rubbish. I'll throw that out. Other pieces, as you can see, some small bright bits. Anyway, I think you've got an idea of what's in the parcel. I hope you've enjoyed. Still plenty of mysteries there. Cheers.